Hello YouTube and welcome back to another Team Helix production. Today we're reviewing the Titan Five Below powered hand massage gun. This is the Super Pro 5 massage. It's got two heads with it. This is a Five Below product. This is not a sponsored video. We went out and purchased this product. It was $15 plus tax. So all in all it was about $16 for the Titan Pro 5 massage gun. Specifications, it's 24 watts. The speed is 2,000 to 36,000 RPM. It's got two heads, micro USB 5V2A. It kind of sucks. It's not a newer style charger like a Type-C. It has a level indicator, power efficiency. It does say perfect for portability, 5-speed levels. Doesn't look too bad on the box, but let's go ahead and check out what is in the box now and see what it is. Talk a little bit about this thing. So if you're watching this video, you're probably thinking about buying this product and maybe you want to know more about it, and that's kind of why we're doing this video. Is we've seen it before and we thought, you know, it'd be cool to check it out and see what all the fuss is about with the Super Pro 5 massager from Titan. I've been looking at getting a massage gun. I personally do a lot of working out, home exercise mainly. I do go to a gym. So one of those things is when you're tired after a gym or maybe yoga or anything, you know, you get tired, your sore muscles. I have a lot of sore muscles all the time from working out afterwards. So it's something to think of if you have a sore muscle or maybe you just need a massage for joints or arm pain, shoulder pain. This is something to use. So let's see if it's actually worth $5. 15 bucks. Not bad so far. Here is the massager itself. See if it powers on. It's pretty dusty. Wasn't the best packaging. There wasn't any insulation stuff in it or anything. Alright, look at that. Already started up. It's not crazy powerful yet. We'll see what kind of modes we got. Here it is. It's not crazy.
Not too bad.
Let's see how we turn it off. It's all just one button on the back. It's got a little bit of weight to it, maybe about 5 pounds. The charger port is right there, so it is accessible. Boom. Hold the button down, it will turn off. Here's our massage gun itself. Looks like pretty cheap plastic, probably a polymer. In hand, it's a little bit big on the handle wise. It's not too heavy. I think if you're going to be holding it for a while, it's not going to hurt you. It's about maybe 5 pounds.
As you can see, there's two different heads for it too.
Let's see what we got here. Alright, we got your box. It's not actually hard plastic. This is like a foam. It's a harder foam, but
I
was thinking it'd be a plastic.
This one's for more your joints and stuff, since it is plastic, but it has a point to it.
Here's what it looks like on it. There's no rivets or anything. I think it just clocks in. You just push it in, maybe twist it. There's nothing like a rivet, so it just holds in there. There's a vent hole down here. It's like pretty basic screws, so it's not too hard to construct, but it is a little bit meaty in the hands. I have smaller hands, so it's not the comfortablest thing to hold or wave around.
Let me see.
But let's see. Gonna hold the button down. Right now we're on low. We do have a power indicator on there. You can see if the camera will pick it up. That thing's going. Let's see. Alright, so it definitely right here on low, I'm holding it all the way to my chest and it's not moving. Right now it just stalled out. Try to turn it back on. Right now we're going to go on full blast. It's going, it's going. Let's see. Honestly, it's not bad. It's comfortable. I think it's going to keep dying because it's just brand new out of the box, so it probably doesn't have much charge to it. So we are going to have to charge it up. But, you know, not bad. We'll see how this thing holds out here in a couple of weeks, we'll give you a little extra comment at the bottom of the video and everything, and see how long this works, if it really is worth the money.
Wait, hold it down. Like, hold it where
Well, you don't want to like press it all the way into you or it will stop.
Yeah, that's why it turns off.
So it's like a safety feature.
Yeah,
maybe.
it's a safety feature. It's not
But-
no battery. It's full battery, I know.
I can't tell. Right now we're on 2. The blue is the indicator for your speed, and then the green is your battery. That's on your right side. Right now we're on 2. We're not going to hold it all the way up to it, but just lightly around us. It's not bad. I think we'll have to see what it's like after a full workout, but it's not bad. What do you think? Just like on your arm or something.
Yeah.
So right now it's on a 2. It does say charge time is 4 hours. Using time is 1.5 hours. So you do get some battery life out of it if it is on a full charge for an hour. It is built-in lithium-ion battery, 600 milliamps times 2. Pretty basic stuff. Not the craziest battery. Lithium ions are not the best batteries, but for $15, it's not a bad looking product. It works. No problems out of the box. We're gonna get more use out of this through the week and see how it goes. We'll give you a heads up on how it is at the end of the month. I definitely think the plastic's gonna get pretty scratched up, and especially taking it into my gym bag. You know, it's going to get bumped around, it's going to get knocked around, but it feels like it's pretty solid. It's not going to get torn up, but over time, the more you use it, the more it gets beat up. But for $15, not bad. That's about it. Thank you, Five Below, for having this product. Again, this isn't a sponsored video, but if Five Below ever wants to get in contact with us, or anybody else, please just give us a comment down below. We'll send you, we'll comment back, then we can exchange emails, and we can talk to you about sponsorship opportunities or anything like that. Other than that, this is the Titan Super Pro 5 massager. That's all we got to say, I think.
No,
Right? All right.
going pretty good.
Yeah. Here it is. Hold that button down. Alright. Other than that, I don't know, because this is a budget massager compared to, you know, some of those ones that, this might be the same reason you're watching this video right now is, there is the $1,000 massagers and the $50, you know, the range on prices is crazy, but I definitely think as a starter massage gun, especially if you just want to get into it, go ahead and buy this $15 one. Check it out, see if you like it yourself. Like I said, through the video, you can't tell. You know, same deal with the $500 one. I don't know. Maybe that'll be a next video we'll do, is go buy one of the $500 ones and then test it out with this $15 one. But other than that, I think it works. It's going to be good. We'll have to see after a full day at the gym. You can go check out our Instagram and TikTok on that for updates on this. There's going to be more information coming below, and maybe another video, part 2 with this. So just keep an eye out. If you're new to the channel, thank you so much for being here. Like, subscribe, and share. Go ahead and comment down below. That way we know you're here. Or if you want to comment any questions on this, I'd be happy to answer them. I don't know much about this myself, so don't ask me, you know, too crazy questions, but I will try my best in knowledge of helping you out if you have any questions. But I really think this is pretty much a one-click thing. Nothing crazy about it.
Pretty simple.
Yeah, so that should be it. Out of the box, and it works. Thank you all for watching. Like I said, go ahead and subscribe if you're new. Stay informed with the bell icon notification down below. That way you know when we do more videos like this. Especially if you like reviewing products, or if you want more information on products. Here in the next few seconds, there's going to be 2 bubbles here. One should say the subscribe button, and then the other will be a video. That is a video that YouTube wants you to like and go watch, similar to this product. So there are more unboxing videos on this channel. Please go watch them, enjoy them. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.